Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to set up an easy-up tent. First, select a level and clear spot, free from any obstructions. Next, carefully take the tent out of its carrying bag. It's much simpler with two people, so grab a friend if you can. Begin by partially extending the tent's legs, just enough to get it started. Now stand on opposite sides of the tent, with each person holding two of the outer legs. Gently begin walking backward, pulling the frame outward. You'll feel the frame start to expand. Continue this motion until the tent frame is approximately 3/4 of the way open. This ensures a controlled and smooth expansion process. Once the frame is mostly open, push up on the corner sliders, one by one, until you hear them click into place. Confirm that all four corners are firmly locked for stability. Next, carefully drape the canopy fabric over the top of the frame. Align the canopy corners with the frame corners and secure them using the attached hook-end loop fasteners or clips. With the canopy attached, extend each leg to your preferred height, ensuring they lock into position. For safety and stability, especially outdoors, always secure your tent. Use the provided stakes to anchor the legs to the ground or attach sandbags or weights to each leg. If it's windy, utilize the guy ropes for extra support. Now, your easy-up tent is ready.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.